Welcome back. There's been some positivity on the real estate space, particularly some brokerage houses today writing that a lowering of interest rates definitely is helpful. Plus, volumes seem to be picking up in Bangalore. So we thought we should check up with someone from Bangalore. Sobat Developers operates in that area. The MD of that company now joins us, JC Sharma. Thanks for joining us, Mr. Sharma. What are you observing in the market? I mean, yes, interest rates have gone down. SBI, the biggest lender, has reduced it by 25 basis points. Are you seeing some interest returning back? If not, by when do you think there could be a more sustainable recovery?
We believe that the Bangalore market in any case had been a steady market with volumes not getting as much impacted as we have seen in other markets. Now, whatever is happening in the recent past, we have observed that definitely it is going to have a positive impact, especially once the interest rate starts declining. In our view, it has a correlationship with the improvement in the volumes, and that should be visible in the coming quarters.
Okay, so will you expect only volume growth, or is there a little bit of capital appreciation, land price realization?
The price realizations have been reasonably healthier in our markets as such. 8 to 10% increase we have been able to get on a year-on-year basis. So we do not expect that the price realization should go up significantly. What we do expect is that with the declining interest rates, prices remaining steady and the environment changing for the better, the demand should further pick up.
Okay. Will you be selling any land?
No.
Okay, so there is no immediate big debt reduction program?
The immediate debt reduction in a sense, today we are funding all our growth through our internal resources.
Yes.
And we still believe that we will continue to generate higher and higher cash flows with our increased volumes, which should help us, right, in taking our top line, bottom line further up.
Okay. What is your debt now?
My debt was around 1,200 crore in the last quarter.
You also have exposure to the Gurgaon market. Take us through what the experience.
We have exposure to Gurgaon market, yes. So,
what's the experience there? Is it slightly lower, of course, lower than Bangalore, but are there signs of any pickup?
See, in Gurgaon we are selling a different product. It starts with 4 crore plus sort of a thing, and it's a niche market for us. And within that, whatever we have projected for this financial year, we are ahead of that. The Gurgaon market will be the second largest market for us in this financial year. And because of that market, only we hope to do much better in our P&L account as well.
So the premium product, of course, will not be sensitive to interest rates. But, how's the experience been? As in, have sales been very steady? Is there demand, or are people expecting prices to decline a bit and then the buying could come in?
See, as far as we are concerned, our volumes have been quite steady and improving. We had given our target of doing 2,000 crore new sales and 3.75 million square feet in square footage basis as well. And we believe that we should definitely be achieving our guidance in this financial year. And as far as the quantum is concerned, we should be doing better than what we have anticipated. Our first half should be better than what we had anticipated. Okay. And going forward, we do believe that with whatever we are seeing now, it should result into better performance.
Yeah, if you just could quantify, I mean, how much by way of million feet you may, or by way of square feet, may you sell in the rest of FY12 itself? Because you've launched on a very ambitious manner. You've got Sobha Grandeur, you have the Dairy Circle, you have Sobha Jade. You have quite a few launches.
Yes. See, we are not revising our guidance also. What we are trying to say is 3.75 million square feet versus 3.2 million square feet. Definitely we should be achieving. And this 2,000 crore new sales guidance also, definitely we should be exceeding. And the first 6 months clearly demonstrate that direction.
Point taken, Mr. Sharma. Pleasure speaking to you. Thank you very much for joining us. All right, so that's reasonably confident Suba developers. Lots of launches in other areas in Mumbai as well, as our correspondent Priyanka Ghosh was saying. But one doesn't know whether they're as confident of sales. Launches, yes. Sales, we don't know. Let's take a break. Coming up, brokerage advice. Very useful at a time like this. We'll come back with some solid broking house advice.